Hello everyone. Today is 3rd of April 2019 and this is an Asian session morning. Let's have a look at the US dollar. So for US dollar, from my last analysis video that I'm long for this pair. I'm long for US dollar. And if we have a look, yesterday there is a shooting start here. Is a bearish candle. So let's delete on my previous analysis. Yeah, so for now, I do think that still in the long trend, uptrend. So we're still long for this pair. But let's have a look at 4 hours. So it's clearly still uptrend. But what I'm going to do is I suspect if we have a look, yeah, 30 minutes. If we have a look 30 minutes, there is divergence here, this rally and this rally. So I still suspect that the price could be um, yeah, could be maybe do this up and down, still down to the 97.20 area. Yeah. So if I'm gonna long US dollar, I'm gonna wait 97.20. Um, from here, I still long to the 97.70 first. And if you think, well, I'm looking to short because some of the trader that's on the website saying that I'm going to short from here, but I'm not going to short until the price hit 97.70 because I think when the price will be maybe bounce back a bit on this 97.70, but eventually our target for long still is a daily chart, still long to 99 area. So yeah, so for now uh, I'm gonna maybe watch the price hit 97.20 and then long watch the price action, because if you have a look the candle formation here, this couple of candle 4 hours, it looks like formating that downtrend. Or we can wait the MACDs come back to zero, maybe here, yeah, maybe more to 97, maybe here, maybe 97, yeah, maybe 97. But I'm looking at 97.20, yeah, 20 or 15, 15 or 20, yeah, around here, yeah. So but overall, I still, if you have a look at 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour 97. So from 97.20 and 97, this area, I'm still long. I just mark here. Yeah, for this area, I will be long US dollar. So this is US dollar.